with artificial intelligence, microprocessor, ultra large scale circuit, analog computer operates on data in the form of continuous varying physical quantities. It's continuous data like voltage, pressure, temperature, example speedometer, thermometer, digital. It's analog computer. Temperature, voltage, pressure, temperature. Which device used to store data permanently? Hard disk. Permanently means hard disk store data. RAM register. Cache voltage memory. Data lost when power off. Hard disk SSD. SSD non volatile permanent storage. Which device is used to store data permanently? Hard disk. Which device is used to store data permanently? Store data permanently, hard disk. RAM register, cache, volatile memory. Store data permanently, hard disk. RAM register, cache, volatile memory. Cache register, RAM. Data lost when power off. Hard disk SSD, SSD. Non volatile. Cache volatile memory. Cache volatile memory. Data lost when power off. Hard disk SSD is non volatile permanent storage. Hard disk drive, hard disk solid state drive. The RAM register, cache volatiles. What is the purpose of the motherboard? Connect hardware component. Connect hardware component. Motherboard main PCB. Connect CPU, RAM, GPU, storage peripherals. It does not display output, store data or process instruction. What is the purpose of a motherboard? Motherboard. It does not display output. Display output no, storage store data. Motherboard main PCB. CPU, RAM, GPU, storage peripherals. Output, it does not display the kind of output, store data or process instructions. CPU does processing, monitor displays, storage device store processings. In which the following flip-flop component is used? SRAM. In which following flip-flop component is used? SRAM. SRAM means solid. The flip-flop store each bit. Flip-flop to store each bit. Faster and does not need refresh. DRAM uses capacitor. SDRAM, DDR-RAM to store each bit. SRAM means solid RAM. Why it's faster, does not need refresh. Refresh RAM. This is capacitor, SDRAM, DDR-RAM are types of DRAM. SRAM uses flip-flops to store each bit. Faster and does not need refresh. What is the purpose of operating system? Manage a computer. Operating system manages computer resources. System software that manages a hardware memory. System software. Purpose of operating system. Operating system manage our computer resources. Manage computer resource. What is the purpose of operating systems? Purpose of operating system. Manage computer resources.